Most traders think whenever price comes back at your key level, you should enter for a buy. This is wrong, and that's why you keep on losing. Let me show you what you don't know. We have a key support level here. Price is in uptrend. And remember, I told you to consider a key level strong, it has to touch or to retest the same price point more than one time. Let me show you here. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. So many touches. So this is a strong key support level. Why do we consider this as a key level? It is because, why do we consider this as a key support level? It is because the price is in uptrend. When the price is in uptrend, we have to do our key support levels only because we want to enter the buy position on our key support level. So what do we do here next? Let me show you. The price goes up, comes down, goes up again, retested this key support level. It was a key resistance level, comes down, goes up again, comes down, push up, comes down, retested this key support level, and then push up. This is a strong key support level, guys. So here we have to wait for price. Be patient enough to wait for price to come back to retest the key support level, then you enter. Let us see what is going to happen next. So now, guys, pay attention here. Pay attention here. See what I'm going to show you. When the price consolidated here, and we don't trade consolidation. So see, look at this mistake most traders make. When they see this bullish engulfing candlestick, because they have seen this bullish engulfing candlestick, so they want to enter the trade. They enter, they press their stop loss maybe below, and look what happened. They lose the trade, not because you don't know, but because you entered too early, my friend. So pay attention. Let me show you. When you see price consolidating around here, consolidating, even if you get a bullish engulfing candlestick, do not enter the trade when the price is not at your key level. When the price is not at your key level, do not enter the trade. You should be patient to wait for price to come back at your key level. When the price, even if you see this bullish engulfing candlestick, do not enter the trade when the price is not yet at your key level, because you will only lose money when you do that. And when the price comes back at your key level, what do we do next? We don't enter immediately. We don't enter. Instead, we wait. What are we waiting for? We wait for confirmation. The confirmation is a big green candlestick or a bullish engulfing candlestick. That is the confirmation to tell us that price is now going back up, since it has retested the support level. It is now going up. So you have to be patient. Always be patient. You wait. You don't enter. You wait. Now, we have seen this bullish candlestick, but still, again, be patient. Don't just enter immediately, because you don't know. The price even can still continuing going down. So you have to wait to have another confirmation. Now here you are free to enter. You are free to enter. Here you enter. You enter. You press your stop loss below. You press your stop loss below this swing low. Yes. You press your stop loss below this swing low. Yeah. You press it below and you take profit. We have a key support level here. We have a key support level, guys, here. Yeah, we have a key support level. So, no, it is a resistance level. Yeah, it is a resistance level here. It's here. It's here. Yes, it is a resistance level. You enter, you do it the right way. And what is next? Let us wait and see what is going to happen next. Look at this. You just make the whole of money. No stress, no reaction, no nothing. You just make money by just waiting for confirmation. By just following this, everything I have shown you here, you just follow this. You make money. What is first? Identify the trend direction first. Bullish or bearish. What is next? You identify your key level. In a bullish uptrend, you identify the support level. In a bearish downtrend, you mark up your key resistance levels. There you sell. But here we have an uptrend. So we had to buy. And we have done it. So you need to do this. All this. When you do this, I can't say that you'll be winning every time. Every time when you do this every time. No. But I can assure you, when you do this, you will reduce your losses and increases your wins. So remember, patience is your age. If you want to learn more about trading, watch the next video right there.